Fuck your emails. Your emails are all meaningless. Whether you reply to your emails or not, life will still go on. It is not the purpose of your existence to spend your days responding to every single soul-destroying question, query, and passive-aggressive gentle reminder. Reply to emails only when you are spiritually aligned and ready to do so. But learn to release yourself from the shackles of your overflowing inbox by deleting your unread messages. There are more important things than your emails, like the life that is passing you by. If it's really important, people will find you. But for now, just fucking chill.